Hey, welcome to Basic Man 101. Today I'm going to install this Magpul M-LOK hand stop. I took this off of another rifle. I just got my tack stamp for this, so now I'm switching everything to this rifle. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, the gun is clear. There's no magazine. We've got my empty chamber tag in. So Magpul made this so you could configure it in different ways. Um, you could just do this stop here, maybe even this one. You could put them together, put a space in between. They give you this piece. I couldn't get this to work. I think maybe this is for like a polymer handguard. So I'll show you my configuration. This one, do you have to worry about the gas block right here? It's too close to here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. As you can see, you cannot put this in here. It won't twist to lock in. So what that means is I'm going to have to put something here and put something here. So what I'll do is I'll place this like this, and then this one like that with this piece here. All right, now let me show you how I install it. So when you get it out of the box, these won't be connected. So you just put the screw in, get it started. Make sure this piece here is facing your Magpul piece, because what you want to do is this here will turn and lock into your handguard. So the one thing that I don't like about this product is they make these holes too big. My concern is it's going to strip through and pull right out. It hasn't yet. Like I said, it was on my other rifle. I've had that for a few years, and it hasn't fallen out or pulled out. But we'll see. If they just made that hole a little smaller, as you can see, like that screw is already trying to come out. But so if they made the hole a little smaller, I would feel a little more comfortable with it. Okay, so you place it in like here. You just take your torque bit or your like Allen key, kind of like like your Allen keys like these. I just have I just have the bit to put in the screwdriver. I'm going to kind of pull up a little bit and tighten. So pull this piece up a little while you screw in, and you'll feel it tighten to your rifle. And again, I'm not going to tighten it too tight because I'm afraid that's just going to strip right through. Okay. Now we'll do this other one. I'm going to hold that and screw it in a little bit more. Like that. So you want to make sure these nuts are facing this way. That way they can fit into the slot. Okay. So I'm going to, again, pull up a little bit as I tighten. This one. And yeah, I'm not going to overly tighten it since it is plastic and I don't want it to strip through. Okay. And then we get this piece here. This fits perfectly just like that. And you get this little connection to lock it in. There you go. So that's in there really tight. It's good. I like this because, you know, it's a low profile. It's not your main angle grip. It sticks out kind of far. I like how it has this curve here. It just feels good in my hand. It has a good grip texture here and here. So the way I hold it is I have my pinky pushed up against this, and then my pointer finger will go up here, kind of like this, and then my thumb up here, and this allows me to pull it up against my shoulder, you know, nice and tight. So that's it. I'll make some other videos as I switch over some of the other stuff. Thanks for watching. Until next time.